So the reason I bought a bunch of these light bulbs is there are a few areas in our house where every time we go there, we need a light, but we always forget to turn it off. So for something like a closet, this is perfect. Every time you go in a closet, you need a light, but why use a light switch? You just need the light while you're in the closet. Once you leave, you don't need the light. This is absolutely perfect for something like that. So I got this 6-pack, and you can see it comes in 3 different boxes, 2 each, and it's got the sensor on top, and then it's just basically a normal LED bulb. So I've got a hallway up near my closet. Every time I walk under it, it lights up. This is my wife's closet. That's the old bulb she had, and then I replaced it with one of these motion activated lights. And then downstairs we have a hallway where we always forget to turn the light off, but you can turn the light on and off normally just like any other light bulbs, and they will turn on when you turn on the bulb. But let's go into my wife's closet. As soon as I open the door, the light comes on. Perfect. That's exactly what you want. Let's go downstairs to the hallway. As soon as I walk by, the light comes on, and you can see it seems to have a motion activation of about 10 feet around there. So as soon as I come in within seeing distance, you can see the light turns on. It will do that again here within about 10 feet of getting to the light. These really make life easier, especially in the hallway. My boys always turn the lights on and then they always forget to turn it off. So now I guess I'm okay with them forgetting to turn it off because they don't need to. These work really well. I got a 6-pack just because we use a lot of these. I've got 2 more left, and I'm sure I'm going to use them up soon. But yeah, every home could use some light bulbs like this. I haven't timed it exactly, but it seems like it stays on for about maybe 1 minute after it stops sensing motion. So not bad.